Hey guys, let's fix this issue together and quickly. In the first step, go to control panel and click here to open it. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and the problem will be solved. So in the first step, we need to go to view by and select large icons. Then just scroll down and click on sound. Click on it. Now close the background window. We will need this window only. So as you can see, we need to try to disable and enable it the speakers as well as microphone. So disable it and enable it again. Do the same process for microphone, and once done, right click on the speakers, go to its properties, go to its levels tab and set this up to the 100%, and go to enhancements tab, check this option, disable all enhancements. Once done, close the all windows one by one. Now open the device manager, simply right click on the start icon and click here to open it, device manager. Now we need to expand the audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the speakers, go to its properties, click on update driver and select the update driver. First of all, we will select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. If this not work, you can just go back and select the second option. Select this, select any model and click on next, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Do the same process for the microphone also. Right click on it, go to update driver, select the first option, and the drivers will be installed automatically. Now once done, we need to go to the sound, video and game controllers. Right click on the particular audio device, go to its properties, select the drivers, click on update driver, select the first option, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Close all windows one by one and simply restart the system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.